Hello friends, in this video you will learn about access modifiers in Java. Access modifiers are four types of access modifiers in Java. One is public, private, protected and default. What is the public access modifiers use is you can access those values anywhere from anywhere, and protected you can access those values in the class and subclasses. When comes into the private, only access the values in that class only, where those are defined, which class those are defined, that class only accessible. So in default you can access the variables in that class and some same package in the same package. The packages will explain in upcoming video. So in this video I am only focusing on encapsulation. Encapsulation is nothing but one of the mechanism which is restrict the accessing of object components, nothing but variables data. So here is the how this concept works in Java. Here is the explanation. So I am creating one class A, giving int x. So we already know about the constructor. I am creating one constructor int x, and this x equal to x. So this is nothing but prefers the current object. I am creating here object A. A is object, creating by new. I am passing one value 1. Here is the way. So with the A you can access the value. So see this. See someone. I already know the method. I am using one method int get x. Return this dot x. So it is the way a dot get x method. So I am giving the value 1 to get x by using the constructor, and I want to get the x value by using the method. So here is the output. One is printed. So this is the way. So this is the default one, and then I will give the it. You can normally without get you can access like this also, like a dot using the object you can access x value. I already know about this. One is accessed by using the object, but when I'm giving it as private, this is one of the access modifier. Then when I'm giving a private, it becomes this x value only accessed in this class only. If you try to access by out of this class, it will not what will happen you will see. So x has private access in A. So this is error comes. So this statement will not execute. use this. One still accessible means the x value is still accessing by method. This method, you can write it public. One is accessible. This int x, the variable data, is encapsulated in the class A. So this is the encapsulation process in Java. So happy to see you. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe now.